Look over Lake Decatur, where the sun is rising for a start to what looks like will be a lovely weekend. Some may even say a perfect summer day. Let's bring in meteorologist Phil Collins. Phil, how's the weather looking today for those who wanted to spend that Saturday outside?
Well, hopefully you find some shade and at least a fan to take with you. Maybe you got a little fan that's portable. Whatever it is, you're definitely going to want it. Lots of water and again that shade. Let's go and take a look at some of our temperatures right now in comparison to your feels like, and you're going to notice that we're not seeing a whole lot of a difference. Yes, it's 74 degrees here in Decatur. You're going to notice your feels like is actually the red. 74 is what it feels like. However, as we head into the day, we're only topping out right around 90 degrees. It's going to be one of the warmest days of 2021 so far. But those red numbers as we progress, even though the white, your observational temperatures are going to be at 90, your feels like it's going to be closer to 100, if not 105 in certain areas. Very similar conditions to what they're seeing in Tokyo. So as we head out that way, right now, of course, it's 9:17 in the evening. They're getting ready to wrap things up. They are 14 hours ahead of us, so they're dealing with very similar conditions. It's been hot, humid over that way, but right now they're sitting about 77 degrees, very similar to what we're going to see as we head into about 9-10 o'clock tonight. Winds right now are out of the south today. Again, what that does is usher some moisture from the Gulf of Mexico in. At the same time, we know it's typically warmer down south, so that's where we're getting this warm weather pattern. It's about 5 to 10 miles per hour right now, eventually topping out about 15 to 20. But satellite radar keeping us dry for the most part. You may notice some of the shading down towards the greater St. Louis as well up towards Iowa. Those are heat advisories. Well, we're technically not under one. We will see very similar conditions. Again, heat indices today pushing 100 to 105 in some areas. Specifically, if you're in a downtown area such as Springfield, even here in Decatur, you're definitely going to notice it's a little warmer. Those are typically some of the heating zones simply because there's less air, so there's a lot more concrete, metal, things that conduct heat a lot more. So that's whenever you start to see the downtown areas get a little bit warmer. Futurecast by Nuts & Associates, we stay dry for the most part today until this afternoon, even to the evening. You may notice a quick isolated shower. However, it's this later this evening into tonight that we're keeping it more focused on. You're going to notice around 9 o'clock, so the line of showers and thunderstorms beginning to push through up until about 11 o'clock. So there's a chance for some strong severe thunderstorms, specifically between 6 o'clock tonight and 11 o'clock just before midnight that we're keeping an eye on. It's going to be isolated if anything does pop up. We're a little bit drier to start off your Sunday, but then again, we're going to notice a little bit of an increase with those chances of showers, even a quick thunderstorm. So Storm Prediction Center already has some areas under slight risk. You're going to notice northern portion of McLean County into Fort Iroquois County as well. That's going to be the main area of concern. However, as thunderstorms develop and continue to push southward, yeah, there's still going to be some chances of strong to severe thunderstorms. However, they'll be breaking down as they move southward because, of course, we lose the sunshine as we head into about 8:30, 9 o'clock. And without that sun, well, they can't continue to develop, so they're going to weaken. Now, again, chances are between mainly 6 p.m. and 11 o'clock tonight. You're going to notice that it's mainly a wind threat. However, isolated chance for some large size hail, even a quick tornadic activity can't be ruled out. That's mainly to our north in that slight risk area. However, with dew points in the 70s today, well, we could see some heavy downpours at times, leading to some of those areas of concern with some minor flooding. Here's a look at those heat indices around 103, possibly 105 in certain areas. But as we take a look at your same area 7-day forecast, you're going to notice Sunday has another chance for some thunderstorms below severe limits, but heat indices once again pushing 100. But we're drier into middle of next week, but we don't cool off. Temperatures hovering right around 90 degrees.